Hello everyone. Today is October 2nd, 2025, and we are here, the team DigiPix, and we're going to discuss the AI integration in day-to-day operation in our business of website design, development, content, and management. So today we have a present in the meeting is SEO manager as well as general manager and the developer, and we're going to see how those tools can be able to work together in the conjunction and coordination with working with multiple AI tools, techniques in the different departments and teams. So everyone, please mute your microphone. Only the person who's presenting going to open the microphone. So Ali, please start the presentation. Thank you.
Sure. So we are going to discuss the following points in this presentation. Our presentation is focused on AI usage and how SEO is evolving with the help of AI, and how we can better use the prompt engineering through understanding LLMs. And the last thing that is most important, you need to upgrade yourself daily in this era of AI. You need to learn new courses, new technologies with the help of Google Digital Garage. That is a hidden, you can say, certifications. These are some hidden certifications that are really useful for you, especially in this area of AI. So the point number one that we are going to discuss is about the AI usage.
Ali, can you make the screen full screen, please? Go in the tools or the view. It's already full screen, but go in the view and then there's a further full screen. Yes. Press that and press the browser full screen. Yes, good to
Yes,
go.
so
Yes, wonderful. It's good to go.
yes. So the point number one we are going to discuss is about the AI usage. AI, as you know, that AI is evolving daily, and the new tools are coming. And you know the Gemini, that is the, you can say, the potent LLM of Google, is evolving day by day, and it has new features on the blog that we have discovered through our research, that we have discovered through our studies, and that we have tried and tested these features, that you can create a whole, you can say, storybook with images with the help of Google Gemini. So that is a really cool feature, because previously you need to log in into the Canva, and you need to first write the script, or first write the script of the storybook, and then then you create the images. But now you can create a 10-page storybook quite easily with the help of Google Gemini, and it is quite an advancement. The time that it will took previously, it took about 5 to 7 days. Now this task can be performed in like about 20 to 30 minutes, or even earlier, if your book is not much complex. So that is a really cool feature in Google Gemini Storybook. So yes, the team.
Okay, does anybody have any question?
Um, no, sir.
Okay,
No.
okay. Proceed to the next point, please.
Sure. The second point is about the Gemini guided learning. So, when you previously, when you want to learn something, you go to the YouTube and you watch each videos step by step, like how to do like this stuff, how to videos. Like there is a website which is how to website, but those websites are now going. Why? Because AI is taking their place. The AI has recently, Google Gemini has introduced this guided learning feature. This feature is really useful. Like if you want to learn something, if you want to learn how to do digital, how to do this stuff, how to do this stuff, so you simply go to the Google Gemini. There will be a Gemini guided learning option, and in this you will put your keyword, like what you want to learn, and it will teach you step by step with puzzles, with quizzes, with visuals, and you will easily, you can say, have an idea or grasp of that thing. First, previously you want to, you can say, you have to go to the Google, then you type the keyword, and then you go to the website, and then you read the long text. but Gemini makes it easy for you. It teaches you step by step. You can download the Gemini app. You can go to the Gemini website on the web, and you have this like really cool feature if you want to learn something. And it like this Gemini feature is a, you can say, a huge advancement in learning. And the way AI is advancing, like you need to keep yourself updated. Otherwise, the you can say there are people that have that can do your work in like about 1 to 2 minutes that you take the whole day because they are familiar with these AI tools. So these AI tools are really advancing at the rapid speed, and in my opinion, and our team has been using these tools daily, and they are like learning with it, and they are you can say playing with LLMs, and they are you can say teaching the LLMs, and they are you can say this is the kind of advancement we need. You can say so. The Gemini guided learning is a really cool feature. You should try it out, and it will really help you in the advancement of your learning. Yes.
Okay, good stuff, Ali. Thank you very much. Can you explain us, is Google Gemini available only in the corporate account under the Google Workspace, or it is also available on Gmail accounts as well?
Yes, it is much more rarely available in the corporate email. Like we have a corporate email, so it is much rarely available here. So you can see we have a corporate email account. You can have a plus option there, and you have an option there, and you can find this here, the guided learning.
I see
you
that.
can find you can find other option also like the deep research, the create images, the canvas. But this guided learning option, you select this option and you want to learn something, you can type it there, and then we have a you can say it will teach you step by step. So it is quite a cool feature there, especially in the corporate accounts. And in the free accounts, sometimes these features lag because those are on some low servers, or the servers that are not you can say producing the result quickly, so it is not available there. But if you really want to use it for free, you can say then there is a tool, you can say aistudio.google.com. It doesn't have a specific guided learning feature, but it will produce a near to similar result. So this aistudio.google.com, it is also really useful, but the main feature is in the corporate account. Yes.
Interesting. Now, when you made the drop-down menu into the guided learning, I see like when you press the plus, there's another like button next to it. What does that do?
Like this button, it is about how we can upload files from our computers. Suppose we want to upload an image, and we want Gemini we want Gemini to explain that image, and how to you can say explain that image to our viewers, and how to explain that image to us. Then you can upload different kind of images, different kind of Excel file, and ask Gemini to explain it to you. So in this way, Gemini can basically translate the Excel file, the PDFs for you, and help you understand better what is written on those, what is in those files, what is in the image, and it will really help you in different tasks. You can use it with digital marketing. You can use, for example, if you are doing some kind of like image generation, you need to understand better. You need to understand the image, that how I can create this image better. Gemini will give you that idea too. So it really makes our stuff easier. And you can also add from drive. Suppose if you have lots of images on your drive, then you can also add images there. But sometimes it lags because it doesn't allow 3-4 images. Because sometimes it is on server is not much accepting 3-4 images. You can upload one image, and then you ask the Gemini what is in that image, and please explain me that image. It will really help you in understanding that single images.
Sure. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. That point very well explained. You can move to the next point, please.
Sure. So the next point is about the data storage and privacy. So this is a really critical point, and you are seeing a lot of lawsuits are going right now because of this, how we use AI better. So AI due diligence is a
Uh,
really important stuff. So you need to have know that when you place something in Gemini, you are sometimes the account that we have a corporate account. Our data is not available for storage. So, but if you are using Gemini for free without, you can say using a corporate account, then sometimes your data gets saved in the Gemini.
Sure.
So
Okay.
you need to turn off that option. It is really critical for the user
Got it.
to turn off that option. If they don't turn off that option, their data can be used for the training of the LLMs, the large language models.
Got it.
So know the research incidents happen with ChatGPT. That ChatGPT data, user data has been available worldwide, and Google is also indexing that data, and the private chats are getting indexed. So I'll remain really, you can say,
Hmm.
up to date and
Sure.
turn off this data storage and privacy, because if your private data is available on Google Index, it will be you say it will be not be good, and so it is a really critical point.
Very good. Very good
It,
point. Yeah, privacy of the data is very important because we not only have one client, we have multiple clients, and we tend to ask them different questions with the support of the AI. And we embrace the AI in a sense that it's not a threat to the jobs, it's actually a supporting tool. And people who think that it is a threat, those people actually not learning the AI. So we are integrating the AI every day in our operations, and it's helping us boost our productivity and performance and making it better. Actually, Google is also encouraging us to use it, and that is why they're providing this tool, Google Gemini. Now, Shazil has a question. I want you to answer that, and also zoom in screen. So we see only 3, 4 lines only on the screen. So zoom in more, zoom in more, Control plus. One more. That's it. Yeah, that way we see big and we stay focused. Yeah. So show one. Yeah, exactly like that. So yes, Shazil, what is your question?
Sorry for interrupting. I have a question about Gemini. That is it free or is it paid?
like the Gemini tool that we are using, it
Yeah.
is you can say it is our corporate account. So we have a paid subscription to our Google Workspace, and
No,
then the
I'm
Google.
asking that I don't have a corporate account, I don't have a business account, but I want to utilize Gemini. So, is there any limit or not?
Like for the free user, you need to use the AI Studio Google. So it is a better tool in that aspect. You are really, you can say, don't have a corporate email, but you can use Gemini free, as I have told earlier. But there is an issue with that. It is a limit issue. You sometimes the Gemini breaks, and you the LLM hallucinate. So when the LLM hallucinate, then it will not produce good results. So if you really want to use it for free, you can use the ai.studio.google.com. It is also provides the Gemini latest model, which is Flash Pro 2.5, and it is the latest model of Gemini. You can also use it there too. So Google has also open access for the free accounts. And that the AI Studio or Google.com, it doesn't hallucinate. But the free Gemini, it sometimes hallucinate in my usage. Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we have a you can say the second point, which is about a really critical, like we are a digital marketing company and we do SEO, and we rank with the help of SEO. We have so many of our keywords showing SEO wise for like how to do internal linking properly in SEO. SEO is like, you can say, in SEO is basically you can say there is an algorithm called Bedrock. This algorithm is the backbone of SEO. The Google founder, the Larry Page, he basically developed that, you can say, that algorithm. And according to that algorithm, the internal linking is critical. The links to other website and links to your own website, they are really critical in SEO, in search engine optimization. This stuff is really critical, and if you don't do the internal linking properly, then you will not be able to rank. And most of the people we see, they are doing the internal linking the wrong way. Some are, you can say, some are using irrelevant keywords in their links, and some are, you can say, targeting the high competition keywords, and some are ranking for irrelevant terms. But we do it differently. We use Google own tool, which is Google Search Console. Basically, Google Search Console is a tool that can track your keywords, and Google is the main owner of that tool. So you are tracking your keywords with the help of Google. So if you are tracking your keywords with the help of Google, that is really, you can say, the high trust platform. And what you can do, you can target the keywords that are present on 11 to 100 position. You can target those keywords in the Google Search Console and build internal links according to those keywords, because those are the keywords that are ranking on the second to 11 to 100 pages, the second page to the 10th page. We do know that the second page of Google is the, you can say, basically we call it, it is the buried page. Nobody clicks on the second page. Every user clicks on the first page. So you need to rank the keywords that are present on 11 to 100 score. How you can do it? So there is a complete procedure how you can do it. So we can do it with the help of mapping of keywords. We can do it like what we want to do. We will find a page that is ranking for that keyword. Like for each keyword, check which page is ranking for it. Like which page is ranking for it, you need to check it. And you need to note the URL that this is your target page, and this is your target page. And then you need to find a page that is getting good traffic on your website, and then you link that page to the, you can say, the page that is ranking on the second page. The first page, you need to link that page to the second page with that enter text that is present on the search console. Enter text is basically the text we link one page to another page. So this is a recommended internal linking practice where you can rank the pages that are between the 11, rank the keywords that are between the 11 to 100 position on the first spot, and you are getting the direct data from the Google. And you can use different variation, you can use different kind of stuff. I will also give you a demonstration how to do that stuff. You can see that this is Google Search Console account. Is it visible to the team?
Yes.
Yes, sure. So the team, we look, this is a Google Search Console account, and we have about like the last 24 hours data available there. What we need to do now, you guys go there. You can see the last 24 hours data. So these are all the keywords that are ranking. These are ranking on the first page. We need to find the keywords that are on the second page. So we go there. There is a filter mode there. There is a position section there. And then you type on the filter section 11. You can give it greater than 11. You can give it done. And then you can press it there, and then you can press it again. So you will find all the keywords that are above the 10 score. So you find all these keywords, and then you use these keywords for internal linking. You use these keywords for internal linking to your unranked pages, the pages that are on the second spot. So these are huge amount of keywords that are present there. You can see there. We have already applied this strategy on our own website of DigiPix. It has really good results. Like we have ranked about a local SEO keyword there. So these are huge amount of keywords that are, you can say, present. So you can internal link these keywords with different vegetation. Never use a single keyword twice. If you use a single keyword twice, then it will lead to penalty. In the current scenario, previously there was no penalty because Google update doesn't come. You can say Google doesn't produce the updates daily. But right now there you will get the penalty, but you can see the huge number of some of our keywords are on the second page, and we need to internal link those, and then we can rank it on the first page. And we can also have you can say some of the keywords we have ranked on the first page with the help of this strategy. So it doesn't apply sometimes to commercial terms, but you can use this for most of, you can say, your queries that are low competition. So this is quite a good internal linking strategy, and this is right from the Google. There is no third party data there. The Google is the first party source there, and we are taking information from the company that we are ranking our keywords on. So it is really critical to rank your keywords on this, and I hope the team will get a good demonstration of how to do this in future. Yes.
That's good. Okay, so there are some data sometimes what happened on to the business marketing and customer service end. There's a data people are searching online, and there's some keywords client give it to us, which kind of clashes because client is coming from their business background and they have a business jargon, but people are not searching those terms and jargons. So how do we tell the client, like, the keywords you're thinking are not going to facilitate to the Google search, but what Google is finding, what people are searching, those will.
Got it. Yes, that is a really good question, and it happens with most of the clients all the time. The main problem with, you can say, the main solution of that problem is we need to educate our clients that 25% of the queries in Google are new each day. Like the 25%
Wow.
queries are new. According to the reliable sources, these are the
Yeah.
new queries that you can produce, that you can see on Google each day. So when client give
Yeah.
us some keywords, they are giving us the query that they are searching for, and some people are searching for that queries. But sometimes we, as a, you can say, as a SEO person or as digital marketing managers, give them queries that are most people are using. So it is basically the majority versus the minority. Client is a single entity. We are searching the whole entity and the whole population. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes a whole population use the query that our client is not using. So that is the scenario. In that scenario, we need to tell them that you are using that query. It is really good. Some people also use that query, but
Mm-hmm.
most people are using the keywords that we are searching, and we have reliable data sources from Google, SEMrush, Ahrefs. We have these reliable data sources that are working on the internet for about like decades. So
Mm-hmm.
yes,
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, in this case, like, can we be able to take a look at our client Unique Auto Inc. and see what keywords work for them, as we have like,
sure,
several clients under our management. So let's take a
sure,
look at the performance, keywords, ranking, positioning, and all that.
sure. I will look at that.
Yeah, it is the bottom one. Yeah.
Yes, sure. So, Unique Auto, it has been a good. We have ranked on the most competitive keyword for them, like the window tinting Toronto and the other keywords that we have ranked for them. And you can see there, like they have about. You can see that I will also update the position because the position is very essential right now. Most of their keywords, they are on the top position, and the position has significantly improved now. You can see that. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, look at the keywords we are ranking there, like the static quoting near me. So this is a really commercial keyword
Yes,
we are ranking on, and they are like about like 12,000 impressions there.
correct.
uh, these kind of keywords, the near me keywords, they have more impressions but less clicks. The CTR is always low in those keywords
Yes.
because these are the near me terms. The GMB is also available there. So we are also ranking for their Google business profile, like on the keyword like window tinting. Window tinting Scarborough, we are also ranking there. You can say there are about like 46 clicks there. This is a really commercial keyword that we are ranking on for them. So there are about like 1,000 plus keywords. So we need to show all these. Like we can show the 100 first, the 100 keywords we are ranking for them. So because this brand we have scaled from zero, like the window tint keyword. So this is a really commercial term. The car tinting near me, the ceramic coating post, and the car tinting Scarborough. So all these keywords are getting clicked for us, and we are writing blogs on those keywords, and we are also writing blogs with a commercial point of view, not just blog writing for, you can say, for the sake of blog writing. We do blog writing
Correct.
for, you can say, for the ranking of commercial terms.
Correct.
You can say we are ranking on window tinting near me, ceramic coating, we are PPF Scarborough, paint protection film. So all of their website, you can say we have ranked them in a really, you can say, good way. These are huge amount of keywords, 1,000 plus keywords,
I
and
know. The client,
you can
when the
say that.
client assigned us the job 3 years ago, we usually
Yes,
take, 50 to 70 realistic keywords. But their managing director, Fiaz Baba, gave us 350 keywords. I didn't even flinch about that because we know that we're going to provide extraordinary work for this client, and definitely we did that. And it is 1,000 plus, exposing there, right there. And look at the impressions, 1,000, 2,000, 1,500. The impressions are just crazy. If you can sort it out with the impression for a second, just go to the top,
sure,
sort
sure.
by the
I
impressions.
will,
Let's
I
see.
will sort that out.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what are the major difference between the impressions and clicks? If you can explain that to our audiences too.
Sure. So basically, the impression is a thing when somebody search on Google. Suppose you are searching ceramic coating near me, and the website of uniqueautoinc.ca shows on the Google search. It is one impression. So, like when somebody search on Google and your website show, it is basically impression. And your website, sometimes your website doesn't show. So, like, and it will not considered as an impression.
I see that.
And
So
yes,
impression is what appear in the searches, and clicks
yes,
when they actually click.
yes, clicks is basically when
Yes.
the website, when the user goes to your website, and
Mm-hmm.
clicks are basically that. We can also sort by clicks. Like we have some
Mm-hmm.
clicks on unique auto tinting, we
Yeah,
have some
that's
clicks
amazing.
on unique auto tinting and detailing, we have some clicks on ceramic coating, we have clicks on window tinting Scarborough,
Very good.
unique auto detailing, car tinting Scarborough. So all these are the clicks that are, you can see we have clicks
Yes.
on these keywords. So these are
Yes.
huge amount of keywords. So we don't want to explain, but all these keywords
Yes.
has clicks there.
Has clicks there, which is valid clicks. And this is
These
the common issue, because client doesn't know the industry and they don't know the complexities behind it. So they often ask me, am I gonna be able to get click on this keyword? Am I gonna be able to get the click on this word, keyword? We say, yeah, it will take time. It's a journey. It's a journey. Like I put it, the Google search just like a character representation. So character representation, for this case, is Steve Ramrathan, which is the owner of Unique Auto. Well, is he a good man? Yes, he's a good man. Is he a punctual man? Yes. Is he an expert in auto detailing? Yes. Window tinting? Yes. Ceramic coating? Yes. But he also has other qualities too. He has a good family, a good, he's a good father. So all those things build the credibility about your business. So if you're not ranking to the main keywords yet, but the supporting keywords will start to support you slowly and they will make you stronger. And when you become stronger, then you start to come up on the top. And it is a journey. There is no shortcut to this. There's a process to this. You don't become popular businessman in just first year of the business. Your business, Unique Auto business is in 18 years in the business. It took you 18 years to build that credibility. But without a proper site design, optimization, and SEO, it's harder to get ranking, and Google see all the approximities and proximities about the business and the business overall reviews and look and all that, and they have tremendous reviews. They have like 1100 plus reviews online.
Yes,
It's
yes.
amazing. Can you open the site Unique Auto Inc. and just like show our audiences about page? Um, yeah, go in the about page and click it, and you will see their reviews review count. We update this every Tuesday, and we keep one review less compared to what available on the Google review, and this is amazing. Like this site was the pinnacle of our design and is amazing. It's not only design is good. Can you give us an overview on the only on the homepage, please? Yeah. So just
So
scroll it.
fast and open rapidly.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So just scroll it down and see all the detailings are coming up good. Um, Animations are still coming for the speed, we have taken some animations out, but at least it is showing a very good speed, so that's good. So everything matters, branding, color choices, everything matters in the business and is performed really well. So okay, thank you. Back to your topic. Good explanation, Ali, appreciate that.
So, think.
Full screen please, if you don't mind. Thank you. Good.
So we are now at point number 3, which is a really broad topic, and maybe the information here is small, but this topic is really broad. It is mastering prompt engineering for understanding LLMs. An LLM is basically the large language models that is really popular these days, and the prompt engineering is the language that you talk to the large language model. So these are the 2 points you need to understand before. Like, prompt engineering is basically the language that you talk to your large language models, and the large language models are basically the Chat GPT, the Gemini, the Claude, and all the Grok. All these models that are available, you can say worldwide for your understanding. So basically, the point to here to mention is anybody can talk to LLM, like large language model. If you know the English and you know any language, you can talk to LLM. But to talk it properly is the right is the main thing. So if you are not talking to LLM properly, you are missing out. So to talk to the LLM properly, you need to understand the structure behind this LLM. The main LLM these days are the Chat GPT, like the Google Gemini, the Grok, and the Claude. And we also use Perplexity because it is a really good tool in terms of writing and all stuff. And it has all LLM in large language models in one domain, and it has also its own language model there too. So to understand how to talk to this LLM is the main thing. So for example, if you are some LLM is really good at one thing, and the other LLM large language model is good at other thing. Chat GPT, it is good at, you can say, the writing content. It is good, you can say, at composing content. It is really good at that aspect. So you need to know that Chat GPT is really good, and you can give them similar tasks. And in case of Perplexity is really good for outlining the content. If you really need to outline your content, for example, your keyword is like how to do SEO, and you want to create an outline of that keyword, then in that scenario, Perplexity is our go-to tool. We use Perplexity, and it really helps us in terms of outlining our keywords, and this that stuff is really good in that. And in case of Gemini, as we have told you earlier, that Gemini is really good for the guided learning, and it is really good for the image creation. The latest image generation model, that is Nano Banana, it is really good in case of for Gemini. and that is a really useful, and don't think there is a more useful tool like Nano Banana in other models. Some Chat GPT also create images, but it takes time. And I am talking about free. You don't need to pay it, like for Nano Banana and other stuff. If you go to AI Google Studio, you can get all these images for free. You don't need to pay for it. But you need to know how to give it right prompt. Suppose if you give it a prompt, generate me an image of, you can say, how to do digital marketing with a person in his office, like, but you need to explain that prompt. You need to the prompt has three sections, like it has an input, it has a body, and it has an output. So when you give the prompt, you give the input, like generate me that image, and the image should be like this, and then you need to give it a proper output. If you don't give a proper output to your large language model, in which output form you need that image, you need it in vector form, you need it in you need it in this dimension, you need it more clear, you need it blurred.
Correct.
If you don't give proper output to your LLM, then you are missing out. Like some people do this, like create me an image of a person like drawing something. Like this is not the right way to talk to LLM. The mentioning of this point is, always remember 3 points: the input, the body, and the output.
Can you
So
write it
this is
down on the screen, like, under the Facebook link, and we will share all that thing in the description. So not to worry about, like, not taking notes. We will share it all, including the Facebook link. That was a very valuable video. So just write it down underneath, like, the maybe etiquettes or the process to prompt the AI, how to do that. Like, um,
like the structure of a prompt.
structure of the prompt, you can say. Yes. So structure wise, it has input, body, and output. So that
Yes.
is what we also apply in blog writing too, like,
Yes.
opening, introduction, body, and kind of conclusion kind of thing. So same apply rules, like, content writing applies for the prompt writing too. So it needs to have clarity, what you're looking for, explanation, detail, analysis. Even I've seen some of the prompt producer or writer actually writing the lens quality, like, use 85 mm lens, 35 mm lens with zoom in range, and blur the background showing, like, people. So you have unlimited creativity when you try to use those LLM models. Now, Ali, the question here is, what's the key difference between GPT search versus the Gemini search versus the Perplexity, and is the Nano Banana is separate from Google Gemini, or it is a part of Google Gemini?
Sure. I will explain that to you. That the GPT and Gemini, they are both, you can say, the large language models. But the GPT is from OpenAI and the Gemini is from Google. And there are a lot of differences in both of these models. So in GPT, it is really good, you can say, at the content creation part. If you you can say, if you use it for creating your content, if you know the prompt engineering, to just copy paste content doesn't work. Like I am not hearing say that AI content is better or human written content is
No,
better.
it's not.
Like this is another discussion, but the copy paste
Correct.
content does not work. If you know prompt engineering really well, then GPT creates better content for you, and if you combine it with Perplexity, it will create a content that is really good, and that is research based, because both of these, GPT and Perplexity, they crawl the internet live, and they also pull information, especially the Perplexity. It also pull information from the YouTube. So the Perplexity also use the GPT model, and it also use the Gemini model. We select use the Chat GPT in case of Perplexity. It will produce us better results. So the Chat GPT is really good at the creation of the content. Gemini is another model. It is the latest model of Gemini is Flash 2.5 Pro, and you can say it is really good at the bugging of the code. It is
Mm-hmm.
basically, it has good, you can say, success in case of code debugging. So it really, you can say, it writes the code better, it evaluates the code better, but it is not as good in content creation. The Gemini, the you can say, it reasoning level, if the content creation level is not good as compared to Chat GPT.
Correct.
So this is the first part of your question, that how these two models differ, because we test these models daily. So we test it
Correct.
on our developer parts, we test it on our, you can say, the content writing part, the content marketing team works that way too. So we test those models since the beginning of Chat GPT, or since the beginning of LLMs. So now we have a clear idea how these models work, because you can't have idea about these models in one day. You need to play with these models in 2 to 3 years, since
Yes.
the you can say the 3 years since the creation of Chat GPT. Then you can get a clear idea which model is good at which thing. So this is the
Correct.
first part. Yes.
Yes. And what is about the Nano Banana? It is separate
Yeah.
from, it is Google tool, we understand, but is it separate
Yes.
usage or is it available under Gemini?
Yes, it is also available. The Gemini also have a create image option, but
Mm-hmm.
the Google itself has a AI Google Studio.com, and that model is mentioned there. It is a image generation model.
Mm-hmm.
Gemini 2.5 Pro Flash. It is a text based model. Chat
Okay.
GPT has text-based model, but like the Sora 2, which is OpenAI, you can say video generation model,
Mm-hmm.
and this is you can say the Nano Banana. It is an image generation model, and it is available. Like in
Mm-hmm.
you can use it with in free Gemini app. You can use it in AI Studio.google.com. You can give it any prompt, and it can create images for you. And like Google is really, you can say, now expand in AI models. First, the best image generation model is about like Flux. Flux is also a company, and that Midjourney and other brands use. Then the Midjourney produce it on, you can say, model like, but now the Nano Banana is taking all, you can say, the hype, because it is so good in creating images, and it is an image generation large language model. Normally, the large language model consists of three, you can say, three types. Like one is a text generation model. Sorry, the four types. One is text generation model. Second is image generation model. Third is audio generation model, and fourth is video generation model. So these are the four types of a single LLM, and every company has that. But there is a little bit, you can say, in audio generation model there are a lot of lawsuits, because it's going right now. So it is a really, you can say, a restricted part. But the two things that are people are really using and benefiting is one is the text generation models that we use, ChatGPT, Gemini. We also use Grok right now. Grok is really good with, you can say, tool creation. Like if
Mm-hmm.
you want to create a
Yes.
tool with the help of coding, like if you want to create a fitness calculator, if you want to create a BMI calculator, it can create, even the free version can create it really easily. You
Mm-hmm.
can create a tool and deploy it on your website, and if you benefit your users, like you create a BMI calculator, you create a
Mm-hmm.
fitness calculator, you create a, you can say, some kind of HVAC calculator, or some kind EV calculator, green energy these kind of
Oh,
calculator if you
yes.
create,
Mm-hmm.
then you are really benefiting your users, and your website authority will go up. So Grok is really good in that aspect, and Nano Banana and these models are all, you can say, related. The Nano Banana is from Gemini, but it is the image generation model of, you can say, Google. Yeah.
I see that. Very good explanation. Thank you. I think next week what we're going to do in our presentation is going to have a live demo of one case scenario of a client that we're trying to generate the content and see the differences between Perplexity, GPT, Google Gemini, and the Nano Banana and all, and the Grok too. We need to know, like, what the Grok is doing. I heard about good things, but we're not bringing into our practice. We need to bring those tools into our practice daily, so we can be able to see the behavior, because not one tool can be able to do it all. You need to understand. Like if you're carpenter, you need to have like flat screwdriver, flip screwdriver, chisel, and different kind of things. If you're a car mechanic, you need to have different spanners and all that. So no one tool can be able to do it all. So you gotta try different tools, and when you know it, you can be able to do it. But if you don't know it, you don't know it. So thank you, Ali. So please move to the next point.
Sure.
No, just scroll down.
Actually, the image has got a little bit stuck. So yes, yes.
Yes.
So the point number 4 is about learn with Google Digital Garage. So this is a really important point. We discuss about, you can say, the AI usage. We discuss about the digital marketing stuff. We discuss about how to use the LLMs properly. But if you are not finding the reliable source, how to get educated with all the industry knowledge, then you are not going to progress in a great way. There are these days there are thousands of hundreds of courses available online, and there are hundreds of YouTube channels, but the right information is not available. So you need to know. This is like our, you can say, this is we are going to share a platform that most people don't know, even all over the world, that they can use this platform. They can use the Google Digital Garage, and they can take courses from there, and they have the relevant certifications from Google. Like you are getting a certification from Google. If you suppose if you are not graduate and you are get, and these Google certification, you can get into any company, and you can say you can elevate your skill level to that extent that you have a certification from Google. And most of the people, they have these certifications. Our team has this certificate. We have this certification, and I have to taken this course of Google Digital Garage personally. It is quite a good course, and everybody needs to take this course. Especially, this is the course Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, and Fundamentals of Digital Marketing is a really useful course, and you will get all idea how to, you can say, this has about like 17 modules, and you can get idea about how digital marketing works. And in the end, you will get a certification, and you can show it to anybody that you have this certification.
Very good.
You can see all points are mentioned there. You can talk about the shopping experience. You can talk about the local SEO, the e-commerce SEO, the ads, how to start a business. They will tell you how to start your online campaign. This is a point from you. If you are looking for the relevant information, we can provide you. But if you want to really dive into it, like you want to study each aspect, then this is like the videos are available here, and this is all for free. And this is not some you need to pay it. You just need to log in, and you can get all these videos for free, and you can get an idea about digital marketing. And this is like 40 hours, and this is not 1 to 2 hours course. You can see it is like 40 hours, and it is greatly relevant for beginners. And before you, 1,000 plus people have reviewed it. Like
and they recently published too, just 3 months ago, so which is very good. So I encourage all our team to please take those certifications. I personally wish to see it, but with the responsibilities of the business and all that, meeting with the clients and presentations, I simply don't get the time. So I'm encouraging you to do it, make up the time to learn it in a group, so you can also comments and learn from each other, and also like from home too, just dedicate some time in learning, because the way the AI is coming, if you don't learn, you're gonna be left behind. And we don't want to be the team of people who are just working on the yesterday's tool. We need to work on the futuristic tool, and the future is available right now. So instead of hesitating and not utilizing, please jump onto it and learning. And resources are available. We use it. Ask me questions. Ask Ali the question. So much good information is available. So very good. Ali, are there any courses for the SEO available too, and business management?
No, it doesn't have specific courses related to SEO, but it has these fundamentals of digital marketing.
Yeah.
It covers SEO too.
SEO, okay.
You can say it covers social media, it covers SEO, it covers GMB, it covers, you can say, the local SEO there. It covers
Yes.
email marketing.
Yes.
So these are videos of, you can say, about like 3 hours to 4 hours. It also
Yes.
cover, you can say, that this is about like the Google ads. So
Mm-hmm.
it covers Google ads too. So you can
Yes.
also create engaging videos for your customer by seeing these codes.
Yes.
So it is a complete digital marketing pack there. And
Mm-hmm.
so you have a whole idea about digital marketing there. Yes.
Very nice. But does it have a business management? Does it have some team management courses? Does it have team collaboration? How to I saw something before,
Yes.
understand the basics
Yes.
of coding. Yeah, this is very important. I want everybody to do that. Security, I want everybody to learn the security side of business communication. Here we go. Bingo. That is the one. That is the one I want everyone to jump on it first. It's 1 hour only. It's 1 hour only. So, honestly, after this meeting, everybody jump onto this one. Maybe if not today, then tomorrow, because you have some task on hand. But learn this. This is exactly what we do in communication. And if you don't communicate well, if you don't have, and while we're communicating, see the Google, live closed captioning is writing it. I know the YouTube is going to write it too, but we just wanted to have our captions recorded while we're speaking clearly right onto the screen recording. So whoever wants to understand it, see it, they can be able to see it thoroughly and get a clarity of it. And whatever you talking goodness into the video, the Google algorithms also on the background listen it too. So does the Google AI understand the video aspect of those too. So just communication is very key, and don't be hesitant if you don't know. Now, maybe the article published 2023, but rules of communication, rules of business ethics, rules of collaboration, partnership hasn't changed. The rules and the laws don't change every day. Technology does, knowledge does, experience does. So try to make up the time into those things, and you will see the change in you far better coming into you and your performance of work.
Yes. Sure. Yes.
Okay,
Like
Ali,
there are,
5 minutes left into the meeting, so um, just letting you know.
yes. So
Intro to
these
well-being,
are,
digital well-being. This is also very good. Effective networking. Very good topics. Very good topics. Communicate ideas through the storytelling and design. This is a common problem of the people. If I tell you to express your design, express your concept, people hesitate. They don't know how to tell the storytelling or design telling, or storytelling by words. They just say, I have an idea. Like, can you draw the idea? Can you tell me the idea in words? And that is actually think easy, but when you try to do it, it's hard. So that is actually a good one too. Very nice. Okay, Ali, we need to start putting those word links to into the training description that you're putting, because this is going to go into the YouTube description as well.
sure, sir. I will put the links.
No, just the main one, not the dedicated one.
Got it. Got it. I
Yeah,
will put that.
yeah. And you're not logged in into any account, so that's good to go. And you keep sharing the Facebook link, so always have a heading of the link. What is this link about? So enter it and put a heading on it. What is that link about?
Like it is also about the Google Digital Garage. All
Yes,
these things are links, and
sure. Okay, that's
so
good. So is there
I,
anything you wanted to say towards the end? Um,
yes, like these are all the things that we have discussed from, you can say, the our point number one to last point. I want to say, like, these things, if you apply in your digital marketing or in your business development strategy, it will really help you, because we test our tools daily. and we have a team that tests the tools. We took like from feedback from our developer, from our general manager, from all our, you can say, our team, and then we put all this stuff for you after so much testing. So it will be really useful for you, and you can tell us in feedback that how you will you like this, like how you have seen our presentation and how you like this, and any points for improvement. So yes, sure.
Okay, very good, very good. Does anybody else have any questions regarding what the presentation was about? Okay, seems like not nobody has questions. So I want to say like thank you. It was a very wonderful presentation, and I personally like since I'm involved in the customer service and business development and marketing. I just don't end up using all those tools as much as you guys do in our team. So thank you very much on this. But please have the mindset of getting fail, and getting rise again, and then keep working for good. You're not gonna be able to learn things without making a mistake. And this is a perfect time to learn anything and then execute it. And you have to offer multiple offerings. You just don't say that you only do writing but no analytics. You only do SEO but no writing. You do the writing, analytics, but no coding. You gotta change this mindset, because the way those tools available, you gotta have minimum 3 to 5 offerings available. So I'm just letting everybody know, don't be shy in learning and trying it out. And failure is a part of the growth, and we don't embrace the failure, but we tell you to get fail, but get learn that failure and as a lesson, and get better to move forward into the future. So with that, I want to say thank you, everyone. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications and all that for the future good videos. I'm trying to bring weekly good content regarding those trainings, so it can be valuable for the audiences and for the relevant latest tool that you can be able to see in real life and experience working in the company, how we are using in our company to serve our clients. And many influencers and other people, YouTubers, bloggers, are talking about it. This tool is good, but they never putting into the perspective of training and presentation like we did today. And next presentation next week is going to be in much more in depth, explaining and comparing those tools individually, which we talked about today as an introduction. And it will really benefit you. But staying relevant, staying fresh is the name of the game these days in the age of AI. So thank you very much for watching, and take care. See you next week.
Okay, thank you.